you've been given the role of organising a bachelorette party, then first of all, congratulations, because you are not just planning an evening or a party, you are actually responsible for creating memories that the bride is going to carry with her forever. And I know that can feel really exciting, but also a little overwhelming. Pinterest is full of beautiful ideas. Instagram is just full of inspiration, but nobody tells you where to start. So today I wanted to share with you the simple formula that I follow when I am creating any celebration. Whether it's for 10 guests or for 30, these are the little details that take a party from feeling thrown together to feeling thoughtful, cohesive, and truly unforgettable. So the first thing to do is to start with a theme. One of the biggest mistakes that I see all the time is trying to combine too many different ideas. Instead, choose one theme. For this collection, I chose Espresso Martini as it feels a little bit sophisticated, a little playful, and it's something that guests instantly understand. Once you have chosen your theme, everything after that becomes a little bit easier. That's why I always begin with an invitation, because it quietly introduces the story that you're about to tell. Number 2 is to make the guests feel expected. The first thing that your guests see is really, really important. Before they have a drink, before they've even sat down, before they've even had a chance to chat, they've already formed an impression. A simple welcome sign immediately says you've arrived somewhere special. It's one of those details that people don't expect, but they always remember. Number 3 is to create a party table or a tablescape that people never want to leave. This is where people are going to spend most of the evening, so I love to add little details that make everybody feel considered. Menus will instantly elevate a table. Name place cards make everybody feel included. Table numbers make the room feel organised if you're hosting larger numbers. And one of my absolute favourite additions is photo placemats. This is such a fun way to create something totally unique for the bride and for her friends and family. It's such a lovely conversation starter because it gets people reminiscing while they look at the photos, and it breaks the ice a little bit in an event where maybe not everybody knows each other. Number 4 is don't forget the little surprises. A personalised chocolate bar, a mini bottle of champagne waiting at the table for each guest, matching wine and water bottles. These are such inexpensive additions, but together they make the whole party feel really intentional. It's these little moments that the guests will photograph and also take home. Number 5 is to always make the dessert table part of your decor. Your cake shouldn't just feel beautiful, it actually should become part of the whole styling. Even simple bakery cakes then become part of the whole party and feel very cohesive and custom made. Number 6 at a bachelorette is to give people something to do, and here is where I like to include some games. One thing that I've learned over the years is that guests don't need constant entertainment, they just need gentle little opportunities to connect. That's exactly why I have included such a large games collection. Some will make people laugh, some will tell really funny stories, some create memories. And they make people who don't know each other well feel more comfortable more quickly. Number 7 is to create a signature drink. Every memorable party has something that people associate with it. And for this collection, of course, it had to be espresso martinis. So I created a complete coffee-based cocktail menu, complete with recipes for this collection. It then becomes part of the overall experience, not just something to drink. Number 8 is to think about those photos. When people look back, what will they remember? Matching shirts, a beautiful backdrop, even displaying artwork on a television rather than leaving it blank. This helps make every photo feel considered, and it's these little details that make such a difference. Number 9 is to make absolutely everything feel like it belongs. The secret is not spending more money. It's making every single thing feel truly connected, and every little detail shares the same colors, the same style, and the same feeling, and guests notice, even if they can't quite explain why. I created this Espresso Martini collection because I wanted hosting to feel joyful and fun rather than stressful. So instead of spending weeks searching for matching decorations, everything already works together for you. You can simply personalize it and print it and spend time making memories instead with those you love. If you're planning a bachelorette, a bridal shower or a girls' party, then I really do hope that this video gave you lots of inspiration. And if you'd love to see more party inspiration, more hosting ideas and party printables, then I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.